Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. I am glad you're here. We're going to be doing a traveling split cup pour and swipe some of it. I did something similar last week and y'all seem to really like it. So I figured, what the heck, we'll do it again. Now, I'm a black and brown kind of girl. I love my earth tones. We just redid our kitchen and it is brown and black and I love it. A little mid-century modern I got going on. So I was thinking today, let's do a traveling ring pour with a bit of swiping, using a lot of blacks and browns and golds and copperies. So we've got a lot of really, really nice colors going on today. Our canvas is a, what is it? I think it's an 18 by 36. I'm sorry, I threw my paper away, but it's about this big. And it's a perfect size to hang vertical or horizontal. Our base coats are already down and they are yummy. This black right here, let's take a look at it. That is my new black that I'll be using. That is Blick Acrylics and that is their Mars Black. Guys, it's a good price. It's equivalent to the Artist Loft Black. Let me put that down. That has been given people, well, not the black, but the white. So I kind of strayed away from the black. And this, oh my goodness gracious, this is my jam. Be Still My Heart. That right there, guys, is practically a whole tube of Arteza Pearl Deep Brown. It's a lovely, lovely shade of brown. It's got some shimmery hues in it. It almost looks like chocolate satin sheets, and I am digging on it. In these two cups right here, we just have a little bit more of our base coat, our black and our brown. I always put some aside to either add into my pour or to use as an eraser. This yummy cup right here, DecoArt Metallics, and this is their champagne. I hope you can see everything, guys. I know that the black tends to give us a little bit of a glare. Guys, this is a very, very groovy color. This is DecoArt Metallics, and that is their Warm Penny. Guys, I will make sure to put all the paints in the description box so you can just click on the title if you need a refresh or reminder about what it is I'm using here. This is Modern Masters, and this is their Antique Bronze. We've got a lot of bronzes going on in this painting, guys, and it's interesting just how different each paint is. This is pretty. This was turned on to me about a year ago by Julie Vatcher, darling Julie, and I just found it tucked away. This is Sargent Art, and that is their bronze. Let me go ahead and show you the consistency of our paint, guys. My pouring medium today, I'm getting a little bit away from Floetrol, although you don't have to, is GAC 800, Liquitex pouring medium, and just a couple of squirts of Floetrol. Our paint leaves a mound on a mound on a mound, as sweet darling Mina says. Let's take a look at that. That's yummy as well, guys. Pebeo, love my Pebeo paints. Pebeo Studio Acrylics, this is the Iridescent Precious Gold. Yummy goodness, guys. And this right here is our Arteza, and that is their bronze. And our final color today is DecoArt Metallics in their 24 karat gold. Let's take a look at that consistency. Actually, I think I need to add just a little bit more water to this. Now, I am using Darling Marcy's Mixed Media Girls, her smaller split cup, and I am going to layer it off camera because I tend to sometimes splatter a little paint and I can't see how much paint I'm adding into the cup. But this is 3 chambers. This is a wonderful split cup, guys. It's got a really good spout on it and I like it. If we do some swiping, we're going to be using our damp paper towels to do that. Cut into a bunch of different pieces. Now, real quick, guys, I wanted to tell you, if you're all not busy on Sunday, this girl right here is heading to the Lone Star State. I am heading to Texas. I'm meeting up with my boyfriends, the Massey boys, and darling, beautiful Mina Villegas, and talented, wonderful, sweet Sarah Mack. We're going to get together and do a lot of painting, a lot of powwowing, having a pajama party, eating popcorn. I'm going to be doing a little bit of cooking. We might be doing some Texas two-stepping, and we're going to have a live. We're going to have a live on Sunday. I'm not real sure what time it will be, but I will post it on my Facebook page and in the next video after this one if those decisions have been made. But it will be this coming Sunday, guys. Please join us all because we're going to have a blast and we want to share that with you. So let's go ahead and put some tunes on, guys. Let's get busy.
rise above it all. Meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. Yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again. So sweet again. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do. Can't stand right when it's blowing, pushing me down. Feels like I'm falling apart, yet I hold on. Head held high, can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above it all. Meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again, again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Let it go.